Welcome back to everyone in my DBA Guardians channel. So today we will discuss about the differential backup. On the last class we have discussed about the full backup. In this class we will discuss about the differential backup. What is the differential backup? It will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. First we need to understand that what is the difference between the full backup and the differential backup. For that I have taken the help of this diagram. Okay, so suppose in one of the organization what they are taking, they are doing on Sunday they are taking the full backup, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday till Saturday they are taking each every day differential backup. Okay, so on the Sunday we have taken the full backup. On the Monday some transaction happens. Okay, some transaction, some data happen which is contained in the Monday. Okay, and on the or suppose in one particular timing differential backup taken at 2 p.m. So on Monday 2 p.m. differential backup taken. After that whatever the transactions done on Tuesday 2 p.m. transaction differential backup is going on. 2 p.m. is done. So whatever the transaction happen on Monday and on the Tuesday, the in that differential backup Monday Tuesdays data consist. On Wednesday 2 p.m. differential backup is going on. So whatever the transaction happen on the previous days and this Wednesday, it will take data on this differential backup. Okay, same thing on Thursday, extra transaction, extra means changes happen, so it contains the previous days, what is in the previous days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. On Friday same 2 p.m. differential backup is going on. So on the previous days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday data and Friday data. On Saturday till Monday to Friday data and Saturdays. So why this question came for differential backup, why we can't take full backup daily? Because full backup is a performance killer. When we take the full backup it will consume a lot of the CPU, lot of the memory. So to avoid that, what people have, what means Microsoft have suggested or doing, they are taking the full backup once in a week, and after that every day differential backups, and in every hour log backups I will come later. First you understand the full backup and the differential backup. So not in all organizations are following this strategy for taking the backup. In some of the uh, organizations they are taking the full backup daily, differential backup in every hour and log backup in every 15 minutes. In some organization they are following differential backup on Sunday, full backup on Sunday, differential backup on every day and log backup in every hour. Okay, so now we will come over here in our server. So it will take the backup of all the changes in the last full backup, and when the full backup taken, it reset the DCM pages. What's the meaning of the DCM pages? DCM pages is a differential changed map. Okay, when we take the full backup it reset the DCM pages. DCM pages track full record since the last full backup. Just remember guys, DCM, what is the DCM? Differential differential changed map. Okay, DCM pages, it track full record since last full backup. Okay, so here we are taking the differential backup. Let's see how can we take the differential backup. For the last class we have taken the full backup. Here we have kept, here is Accenture's, we have the full backup. For Accenture's full backups are there, so we can able to take the differential backup. Accenture, right click, task, backup. So in this page we have the options full. Okay, what we have discussed from the last class, from the backup type, let's expand this page. From the backup type we can able to change. So here's the option differential backup. Okay, now I am removing this path as well as a file, creating the new file. This is a path we have, same path, selected path I have given same. Now Accenture what is today's 15/05/2026. It doesn't necessary that you have to give the timing every time. You can give anything. Accenture difference dot bak, or the extension for differential backup dot bak. What is the extension for the full backup dot bak? But what is the extension of the log backup dot trn? Okay, so I'm clicking on okay. Okay, okay. Now in the media options, nothing we need to change. In the backup options, nothing we need to change here. Backup set of files, only we need to set the compression, compress backup. Okay, so if you click over here, it will take, but I want to take the script method. If you click over here, you will get the script. Okay, okay. Why generally I use scripting method? Because if we face any error, we can able to see in the below. So these are all the different parameters. Okay, let's see, click execute. Okay, differential backup has been taken successfully. So whatever the backup, full backup we have taken, now we have taken the differential backup. Let's see, diff back 178 KB. Okay, so on the last backup we have taken the full backup, and today we have taken the differential backup. So if we want to take the full backup, coming over here, let's cross it. If we want to take the full differential backup of this alliance database, so alliance task backup, here I am changing differential backup. I am removing the path, adding the path, and mentioning a new file name. File name is alliance diff dot back. Okay, scripting it out. Same. Let's see. Cannot perform a differential backup for database alliance because the current database backup does not exist. So why it is not taken the differential backup? Because we don't have the latest full backup. So for taking the differential backup, we have to the latest full backup we have. Okay, so I'm just trying to clear this point. That's why we need to take why we have the latest full backup. Let's see, just try to understand over here. Okay, how means why the latest full backup is necessary, and how we are taking the full backup and differential backup. What is the strategy? So suppose there is 11 a.m. there are some transactions happen which is contained in the database data 1. Okay, at 12 full backup is going on. So full backup contain the data, whatever the transactions are there, full backup is taken. Okay, so at 3 o'clock full backup has done, it contained d1 data 1. So at 3 o'clock data 2 and data 3 transactions happen, it contained in the block of data 2 and data 3. Okay, at 4 o'clock differential backup taken, then differential backup contain whatever the last means. What is the differential backup? It will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. Since last full backup d1, whatever the changes happen after d1, d2, d3. So differential backup contain d2, d3 only. Okay, at 4 o'clock. At 5:20 some transaction happen which contain in the block of data 4 and data 5. And after 1940 some transaction happen which contain in the block of data 6. So at 8 o'clock differential backup is going on. Okay, so what it will contain d2, d3, d4, d5, d6. Why? 2 3 4 5 6, because since last full backup, whatever the changes happen, differential backup contain all that changes, okay, all the transactions. So at 8 o'clock, at 22, some transaction happen which contain in the block of data 7, some data 7 is going on. So at 12 o'clock, full backup is going on, full backup is going on. So what it will contain, whatever the changes happen in a full backup means last all transactions, whatever the differential full backup d1, and it contain all the changes after that full backup 2 3 4 5 6. So here the full backup data1, data2, data3, 4 5 6 7, okay. Then at 2 o'clock, transaction data 8 and data 9. So differential backup only will contain data 8 and data 9, okay. After that, if the full backup is going on, so then it will contain all these transactions. So hope you are getting my point. Now we fail to take the backup of alliance, the differential backup. Now I am showing you that first I am taking the full backup. Full backup I am taking. In the backup option, I am creating the compressed backup. Then in the general, I am going to remove this and add the path. Path is same, so alliance, ALINZE full dot BAK. Okay, full backup has been taken, okay. Let's see where it is. Alliance full backup we have taken just now 679 KB. Now we want to take that differential backup. Alliance task backup. We need to change over here differential. Compress backup. We have taken the options at backup compression, compress. In the general, we need to add the path. Path is same, but we need to change the file. Alliance diff dot back. Let's see whether it is taking or not. Differential backup is also done, okay. Differential backup, full backup. Full backup is 679 KB and differential backup is 105 KB. So hope you understand this concept of the differential backup and the full backup. So if you like this video, subscribe the DBA Guardians, and I'm also preparing for the full courses and the interviews. If you want, you can ping me in the WhatsApp, or else you can ping me in the group. Thank you.